Best plugin for WordPress to design website. I cannot provide a subjective opinion on the best plugin for WordPress to design a website. However, I can give you an overview of some popular and highly rated plugins that can help with website design. Number 1, Elementor is a popular page builder plugin that allows you to create custom designs without having to write any code. It comes with a drag-and-drop interface, pre-built templates, and a wide range of widgets and elements to help you build your website. Number 2, Beaver Builder is another drag-and-drop page builder plugin that allows you to create custom designs quickly and easily. It has a range of pre-built templates and modules, making it easy to create a professional-looking website without needing to code. Number 3, DV Builder is a powerful page builder plugin that comes with a visual drag-and-drop interface and a range of pre-built templates and modules. It allows you to create custom designs quickly and easily and is a popular choice for web designers. Number 4, WP Bakery Page Builder, formerly known as Visual Composer, is another popular page builder plugin that offers a drag-and-drop interface and a range of pre-built templates and elements. It is compatible with most WordPress themes and is easy to use, even for beginners. Number 5, Oxygen is a visual website builder that offers a wide range of features, including a drag-and-drop interface, pre-built templates, and the ability to create custom designs using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a powerful tool that is popular with web designers and developers. For your information, ultimately, the best plugin for WordPress to design a website depends on your specific needs and preferences. It's worth experimenting with a few different plugins to find the one that works best for you. Thank you.